Hey, what's going on, my friend Garrett Barry here. Chances are you're watching this video because maybe you're a beginner to affiliate marketing and you're looking for a program that's really the best one to join to make the most money as easy as possible. Well, if that's you, my friend, you're definitely in the right place. See, I've been doing affiliate marketing full time for the last 5 years, and I'm gonna share with you what I wish someone would have shared with me back when I first started when it comes to choosing programs. So the very first thing that I personally look for nowadays when I just wanna shortcut my results and make money as fast as possible, maybe I wanna join a new affiliate program, is there other people getting results? Okay, so when you go to research an affiliate program, you want to make sure that average newbies are actually using the training inside, using the tools and the sales pages, and are they actually getting consistent results? Are they making sales? Now, there's a number of ways to do this. If you're a part of a community, okay, which is gonna be one of the tips I share in a second. If you're part of maybe a Facebook group and things like that, then you can actually see results usually of other affiliate marketers. So you're gonna be able to tell, wow, like a lot of average people are getting results with this. I'll probably be able to get results as well. Another thing I look for, which is what I just hit on, is there a community around that affiliate program? A lot of these affiliate programs that you just try to join to start to promote products and make money, there's no community, there's no support, there's no help group in place that is gonna motivate you and share tips and the latest updates, okay? So you wanna find one that has a good community. Towards the end of the video, if you just want me to shortcut and share with you my #1 affiliate program for beginners, I'm gonna do that towards the end of the video, so be sure you keep watching. But another thing are the tools, okay? A lot of affiliate programs that people join is a major letdown because they don't have a good converting system in place. They don't have good capture pages. They don't have a good follow-up system to follow up with your leads for you. They don't have all that in place, so a lot of people struggle. So you want to look for an affiliate program to join that has a good converting system. The tools that are there, they're actually in place and they're very effective. Okay, so again, how do you do this? Well, you want to either join it yourself and then go through the resources, or try to find someone that's in it and see what they say, okay? Because again, these different qualities that I look for when I join a program are gonna be able to help you find the right program to avoid spending tons of time, money, and effort and not get the results you truly want. And the last thing I recommend you look for is high-paying affiliate commissions. Does this affiliate program pay you high ticket sales? Why is this important? Well, I struggled again for a very long time online. I was never really making the income I wanted per month. And the major breakthrough was that if I want to make, let's say, $10,000 a month, and maybe that's a goal that you have, a lot of people do, a lot of my students do. If you only promote a product that pays you $25, it's gonna take you a massive amount of sales per month to hit $10,000. But if you can find an affiliate program that will pay you, $500 up to, $2,000 per commission, then you only need a very few of them per month and you're gonna be able to hit that 10K a month income. And a lot of people think that it's harder to sell products that are more expensive or they cost more. And the issue is that it's basically just the same amount of work. You're just looking for a different type of person that has more money, okay? So again, these are qualities that I look for. I hope you got value in this video. If you did like it, okay, I'm gonna be making more affiliate marketing videos if I get enough likes to really share these secrets that I wish I would have known. But what I wanna share with you though, if you are looking to do affiliate marketing, maybe you just wanna know my #1 affiliate marketing program that I've personally used and have seen people from all over the world succeeding with, has a massive community of thousands of people, has a full done-for-you system with websites, follow-up emails. If you want access to a free training that's gonna share how to set up your system, go to the first link in the description below, check that out, watch that webinar, and then start to use that affiliate program and make up to $2,000 commissions very, very easily and even on autopilot, okay? So I hope you got value in this video. Be sure to watch my next affiliate marketing training, so stay subscribed, and I will see you on my next video.